Hey everyone! In today's video, you'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully. Hareem decided to visit her favorite cosmetic shop to update her skincare and makeup collection. As she entered the brightly lit store, she was greeted by a friendly sales girl, eager to assist her in finding the perfect products.
Hi, I'm looking for some new makeup products. Could you help me out?
Of course. What type of products are you interested in?
I need a new foundation and maybe some eyeshadows.
Great. For foundation, do you know your skin type? Is it oily, dry, or a combination?
I have combination skin. I also need something with good coverage, but that feels lightweight.
I recommend trying our brand's liquid foundation. It provides full coverage but feels very light on the skin. Plus, it's designed for combination skin. Would you like to try it?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Do you have a shade that would match my skin tone?
Let's find out. Could you hold out your hand? I'll test a few shades to find the best match.
Sure. Here you go.
This one looks like a good match. What do you think?
It blends really well. I like it. What about eyeshadows?
We have a wide range of eyeshadow palettes. Are you looking for something neutral or more colorful?
I prefer neutral tones, something I can wear every day.
I recommend this palette. It has a mix of matte and shimmer shades, perfect for both daytime and evening looks.
That's exactly what I need. Can I try a couple of shades on?
Absolutely. Here's a brush and a mirror. Feel free to try 'em out.
These are lovely. I'll take the foundation and the eyeshadow palette.
Excellent choices. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, I have a few more questions. Do you have any recommendations for a good primer?
Absolutely. For combination skin, I'd suggest a mattifying primer. It will help control the oily areas while smoothing out the dry patches. This one here is very popular.
That sounds good. Can I test it on my hand?
Sure. Here you go. Just a small amount will do.
It feels really smooth. I like it. I'll take one of these as well.
Great choice. Anything else you're looking for?
Yes. I'm also looking for a good mascara that adds volume without clumping.
I have just the thing. Our volumizing mascara has a special brush that separates each lash while adding volume. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please.
Here it is. You can see the brush is designed to prevent clumping.
It looks perfect. I'll take one. Also, do you have any lipsticks in nude shades?
We have a fantastic range of nude lipsticks. Do you prefer a matte finish or something more glossy?
I like matte finishes.
Here are a few options in matte. Feel free to test them on your hand.
This shade is beautiful. I'll go with this one.
Excellent choice. Is there anything else you need help with?
No, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your assistance.
You're very welcome. Let me ring these up for you. Ringing up items, your total is $75. Do you have our loyalty card?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Great. You've earned some points with this purchase. Would you like a receipt with your items or emailed to you?
Emailed, please.
All set. Your receipt has been emailed. Have a wonderful day, and enjoy your new products.
Thank you. I'm sure I will. Have a good day.